From the My Brokerage window, choose Assign Responsible Broker. To begin, click Add New Responsible Broker button in the top right. First, select the individual you wish to assign as a responsible broker for the offices and listings in your brokerage. Make note that you can only select one responsible broker per state. When you're ready, select Continue. Next, you'll confirm the designated offices and continue to review your assigned changes. If everything looks good, click Continue. You'll accept the additional terms for designating a responsible broker, and when ready to finish, click Continue. You've now added a responsible broker. This staff person will now receive an email that states you've been assigned as a responsible broker. You can return to the Assign Responsible Broker screen anytime to view or modify your designations. Your responsible brokers will now appear on listings, in the Office directory, and on selected reports. Be sure to visit support.brightmls.com, where you'll find articles, videos, and training anytime you need it.